Okay, so now we'll look into list of lists. List of lists. Lists of list in Python. Okay. Now, when I talk about a list of list, we know that it's a nested list. So let's create a list of list first. So creating a list of lists. Okay, so we have a matrix equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 7 comma 8 comma 9. Okay, so this is a matrix, and let's see how it looks. So this is how we can create a list of list in the Python. So I will once again I will try to give you more example. Okay, so what could be the other example? So another list will be, let's say, scores. So I can have scores like 89, 67, 82 slash 90, 91, 99, and then I have score 34, 78, 67. Okay, so this is again a scores. So now what I'm trying to represent here, scores of a student. So every nested list is basically the list, basically the score of a student, and that's how we can represent in the. Okay, so I think that should be sufficient for us, or what we can do. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for this video. We'll see some operations on how we can access the element of a list of list, how we can modify the elements, and how can we iterate over the list of list, and also we'll see some other functions which we can use, like flattening of a list or something of that sort. So see you in another video.